Well, hello again everybody. So another one of the locks from the LockPickingLawyer. This is the Sesamee Series 900. Nice little aluminium lock. 5 pins by the looks. There's the bitting on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll get this one in the vise and give this a go. And I've finally got a red anodised lock that's actually red and not pink. So let's try and get into this one. So we've got 1.2mm Mad Bobs, straight tension wrench, and the Sparrow's SS Dev deep hook. So at the back, all springy there. Everything's springy. Try a bit more tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, there we go. Click out of 5. Nothing on 4, 3, 2, 1. So I've got that click out of 5. 4 is now solid. 3 is now solid. Alright, let's start again. Alright, click out of 5 and a slight movement on the core. 4, completely solid. 3, right, we've got a fraction of counter rotation, a click out of 3 that time. Nothing on 2. 1. Oh, fair enough. That was a surprise. I don't think I even touched 4. Right, let's have a get that out of the way. There we go, all open. All works. So let's have a look, see what's inside it. I must admit, with the bitting on there, I was expecting a bit more of a fight. So, what have we got in here? Screw. And there we go. Fairly standard looking at everything. Yeah, again a 6-pin core. I'm sure there's only 5 in there. Let's get this clip off. There we go. Locked it back up. And hopefully this one will work. There we go. That's interesting. The core, or the Bible body of it, actually has 6 holes there. but the core only has 5 holes. So we've got steel serrated in 1, standard in 2, brass serrated in 3, brass serrated in 4, and a standard brass in 5. And I don't know if we can get the light on there properly, but you can see that. So it's sort of very light counter milling on each chamber in the core. I think that is just counter milling, doesn't look like threading, no. Right, let's see what we've got up top. Right, we've got steel standard in 1, spool in 2, spool in 3, spool in 4, and is that what they call the barrel pin? One of these, narrow top and bottom. You can see that. And can't see anything there, just standard springs, but the core, or the body of it, if we can see in there, with focus, does actually have 6 holes. It's just the core that only has 5. So let's have a quick close up of the pins. So nothing particularly exciting. So anyway, the Sesamee Series 900 all done. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.